Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a...
Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning. How's it going? Good morning. About to turn on some music here, man. We just hit a banger trade. Banger. Banger trade. Let me get some music on. What's up, Paul? How's it going? Good morning, good morning. Just called out this banger trade in my Discord, dude. Beautiful 15-minute inversion after taking the highs over here. All-time highs. Man. Beautiful 15-minute inversion after taking those all-time highs right there. I called it on this retest. I said I'm going short. Break even right there, TP1 right there, and then a full target down here. Let's go, dude. Already locked it in on the Apex accounts right there at the full target. Let's go. Appreciate it, Paul. About to get some music going here. Get some of this no copyright fantasy music. Oh yeah, buddy. We got the music playing now. Oh yeah. How does the music sound? I don't even know. Can't even tell. Does it sound alright, or do I need to turn it off? Because I'm on my laptop now, so I don't know if it's going to sound as good. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to sound as good because I'm on my laptop. Oh yeah, dude. When you get a good trade, they go quick. When you get a good trade, they go by quick. Can someone let me know if everything sounds all right real fast though? Because if not, I'm just going to turn off the music. Yeah, dude, but Dominican Trader, it was on this 15-minute inversion play right here. We broke the all-time highs, and then we set up, this is like an accumulation, manipulation, distribution after breaking these all-time highs. Yeah, dude, I was in this. I just got on after I was already in. I was already. If I see another trade, I'll call it out. But I was already on. I mean, I was already in this trade. The trade happened at. I got in around 250, and then I didn't get on YouTube till 3. So, I was on this candle, the 3 o'clock candle. So. You saw when it was up here? Yeah, buddy. We caught this bad boy. Yo, what's up, Yash? How's it going, dude? How's it going? About to grab some coffee real quick while we got this banger trade. Yo, we're back. We're back. We are back. Let's go. See if this bad boy can hit the full TP. I'm already out. I mean, you could have another TP here. I mean, got a resistance right there. Man, how's everybody's morning going? NASDAQ all-time highs. This is crazy. This is crazy. A few months ago, people thought the world was ending. Now, the NASDAQ's back at all-time highs. This is just crazy, man. Crazy. This is crazy, man. Crazy. You're long to rip higher. Not a bad idea, dude. We just hit this fair value gap, so it could definitely took out this liquidity right here, hit the fair value gap, and yeah, dude, I was just thinking the same thing. It looks good to go higher, honestly. Does look good. I got out of this first TP here, up 431 on my Apex. I'm up 431. But yeah, I got out here. Yeah, it could go higher. Took out these lows right here. Bang, bang. Tapped into this fair value gap, and now we're seeing a bounce back up here. Now we're tapping into this gap, and this is where it decides if it wants to go higher or not. If it can disrespect this, it can go higher. If it can disrespect this gap right here, it can go higher. Let's go, man. Beautiful. Yep. Your TP's nice, man. Lines up with this little ledge right there. Little ledge. Oh, dude. I don't know. Still looks like it wants to go down. Exactly. That's it, man. That's how you win, Dominican trader. That's how you win. Stop loss. That's how you win long term. You don't like it? You don't like the jams here, dude? We got it sounds like we're playing some what's that game? Dang. What's that game? Some Skyrim or something, dude. Sounds like we're playing some Skyrim. The jam's making you doubt. Makes us sound like some kind of old wise guy, don't it? One of them old. Sounds like we sound like Mr. Miyagi from Karate Kid over here. Sounding like Mr. Miyagi. What up, Roman? We caught this 15-minute inversion play at the start of the stream here. I caught this 15-minute inversion. You see we got fair value gap, red candle closed below it. I entered on the retest here, got in short, break even at this first internal low right here. And then first TP was right here, and that's where I got all out. Because I'm on Apex, so just base hits. I got out right there for $431 in profit, and now we're seeing if it can go down here to the full TP I have. We got kind of like a accumulation. You can see we broke the all-time high, so I was looking for a short, but we got an accumulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation higher, and now it looks like we're getting the distribution down. But yeah. I'm already out there, but the full target is down here at this low right here. It's around 22,802, 22,803 area. Yeah, that would be the full target. You know, that's just if everything goes great. I mean, you got some levels here could bounce. You got a 15-minute fair value gap right there. You got this top of this range here, support area. You can see a bounce if it gets down there. This is just pretty much for runners at this point. I mean, I got all out here this first TP. This is just to see if it can go. Pretty much. I mean, it does look good though to go down, just because of this model here, the AMD, the accumulation, manipulation higher, and then usually when it distributes down, you're gonna see a larger move down. So, it does look good. But I'm actually going to draw out this AMD model here. If I can find the right thing. Yeah, dude, same. Same. It would make me feel awesome that my analysis was right. bang, buddy. Let's go. I don't know, Roman. I don't really look at ES. Dominican Trader says TP at 875 now to secure 750. Let's go, dude. I hope it gets there for you. I hope it gets there and then dumps. I hope it taps 875, you get out, and then it dumps. Wouldn't that be awesome? Wouldn't that be awesome? Alright, I can delete all this stuff now. I took the picture. Roman said, wow, got a little bottom blasted. It kind of looks like it's bear flag in here, boys. You know, the good old bear flag. Probably get one of these. Bang, right up here. Boom. So I think Dominican's, I think his target's good. I think your target's going to be good there, buddy. If it keeps on following along this flag here, if I can find my brush, probably see one of these. Kind of right up into this level. Maybe right up into this little ledge here. What kind of music? You don't like my music, dude? We're just chilling. It's early in the morning. This is how you wake up. Wake up early in the morning to some Zelda vibes. Get you ready to conquer the day. Get you ready to conquer the day here, brother. You see, we're gonna be done before everybody else is even trading. So we can just sit back and watch them. We can just sit back and watch them while we're already done. What'd you send it on? YouTube? What'd you send it on? What is that? What'd you send the music on? I can't listen to it if I don't know where it's at. Yeah, dude. Top Steps VWAP is awful. It's awful, dude. It's always off. Yeah, it's always off. Let's go, Dominican. Nice job, buddy. Hopefully it dumps here now that your TP got hit. Hopefully it does like what we said here. Hits off of this ledge and does the dump ski. Hopefully it just hits off of this little shelf here and dumps it down. But I don't know, because this is the London high right here. It didn't even make a wick really. Let's see here. Let's get my sessions indicator out. What have I even got favorited here? ICT kill zones and pivots. I'll pull that out too. Okay, so this is the 15-minute high and low here. We got the Asia high up here. Asia low down here. Where's the midnight open? The midnight open. Oh, it's right there. It's that yellow line right there. Bang. We're at the midnight open right here. Alright, let's see if it happens here. What's up, Scudgy? What's up, Rock Driller? How's it going, guys? How's it going? I really want to see this thing dump off here now. I really want to see it come down in this full TP, man. That'd be just a great time. That'd be a great time, you know. Broke the all-time highs and then just see it kind of dump off. But, you know, I'm a short trader, dude. I like going short. But sometimes in my head, I gotta remember, the NASDAQ was made to go up. So, just by going short, you're already at a disadvantage. Just by going short the NASDAQ. I mean, it doesn't matter so much day trading wise. If you're swing trading, it'd be more of an issue. Let's go, Dominican. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Who you trading with, bro? You trading with just a bunch of different firms? Take Profit Trader just announced they're doing a 40% off with no activation fee. Pretty sweet deal. I might have to pick some up. I might have to pick up some Take Profit Trader accounts. I do really like Take Profit Trader. Those daily payouts are sick. Those daily payouts are sweet. Any tips to pass them quicker? Well, dude, that's why I don't like. That's why when I lose my take profit trader accounts, it takes me a long time to talk myself into getting some more. I'm not the guy to go to about passing evals. I full port them. I look for one good trade and I full port it 2 days in a row on Take Profit Trader. What's up, Johnny? Somebody told me it was 40% off now. So, I don't know. If it's not, then I got some bad information. It's supposed to be 40% off now. But maybe somebody lied to me. I don't know. Maybe somebody lied. Yeah, dude. Dominican. That's why the best thing for me to do to pass evals is trade them when I'm already funded. If I don't have any fundeds, it's 30% off. Dang, dude. Somebody gave me some bad information. But yeah, I need to trade evals when I already have funded accounts. Because if I don't have any funded accounts and then I try to trade evals, dude, I just full port them. Yeah, they might do that. Let me go see. They got Twitter or something? Maybe they announced it. Maybe they announced it. Yeah, dude, I hate them. I hate evals. They're the worst. They're the worst. Oh yeah, isn't Tradeify evals like Apex? Isn't Tradeify evals like Apex, I think? So you can, 1 day to pass. Dude, I just like, I like Tradeify. I like Take Profit Trader, and I like Top Step. Apex is just kind of annoying, but if you want big payouts, you can trade with Apex, but the rules are so annoying. Oh yeah. That's like my funded futures, isn't it? Don't they only have 5 contracts on evals? It's looking pretty good to go down here. So the bodies are holding. Let me go get my buddy Chip. Let me show you Chip actually. Look at the Chipster. Dang, dude, I don't have a face cam. Look at the chipster. It's the chipster. Trades by chip. Boy, he's chilling. Look at him. It's my trade buddy. It's my trade buddy. The chipster. What's up, little buddy? The chipster. Oh yeah, dude. And the chipster's the one that gives me all my trade ideas. He told me, he said, he actually woke me up this morning. He said, because look, dude, I wasn't going to stream this morning, right? I was going to stream New York session only. And I'm laying in bed. And the chipster's licking my hand. Chipster's licking my hand. He said, Slade, we got to get up and trade, dude. He said, we got to get up and trade. He said, a good setup's coming. I can feel it. And he was right, dude. We got this 15-minute inversion. And we took it short. All because the chipster woke me up out of my slumber. The chipster woke me up out of my slumber. He said, we gotta go trade, man. He said, dude, we gotta go trade. Dude, I literally called this, man. I'm like a market wizard, dude. I'm telling you, I'm like a freaking wizard. Sometimes. I literally said, when it was right here, it probably goes up and then comes back down. And breaks this little bear flag here and comes down. I'm literally a market wizard. When you guys figure that out, it's just, woo, mind-blowing. I'm just kidding. Just read the market well sometimes. Not all the time. Just read the market well sometimes. But the chipster, he's chilling. The old chipster. Yeah, dude. Roman. I hope it dumps it down. Once it gets past this 15-minute gap here, it'll go pretty quick, I think. I mean, and once it gets past this, it'll come down here quickly. And then if it can get past this, then it'll start to come down quickly. But yeah, once it breaks this, it'll come down here pretty quickly, and then if it can close below this gap here, it'll come down, should come down pretty fast. This is a 15-minute gap. The bottom on it is around 847, 22,847. There it goes, going down pretty fast. like we just said, going down pretty fast. See some acceleration. Let's see some acceleration. You got that 4 o'clock top wick right there. Can we get the continuation down? Or is this just going to be a trend line breakout fake out here to go higher? Yes, sir, Dominican. Way to, nice trade there, buddy. Nice trade. Dude, look at this fake out. What a little fake out. Yeah, dude. Market's just you don't really short at all-time highs unless you have a beautiful setup like this. Woo! Man, I was hoping this thing would just come all the way down here, go down so I can make an awesome Twitter post and at Dodgy. I'm gonna say, Dodgy, did you catch this? Dodgy, did you? He's gonna be, I was sleeping, bro. I was sleeping. Roman, when'd you get in, bro? When'd you get in short? Look at this little trend line fake out here, dude. Dang, bro. Nah, Roman. I don't know. I think it's going to come down. I think it's going to come down. I just don't know when. I mean, we got all this LRLR right here. So eventually it's at least going to come down here again. I mean, but the thing is, it could come up and then go down. But it should come back down to this gap. Just because usually when it makes these like trend lines, it usually, when it does start dumping, it usually goes and dumps the whole thing. Like, that's why I thought here it was going to do it. It only ran about half of it though. But I mean, you gotta remember, market's made to go up, so. See, like, same thing here. It's eventually should run all this. Come down here. Let's see. Let's find a good trend line that got ran. Right here. See this? It came down, and eventually it ran that whole thing back up. See, we were probably just in something like this. Yeah, dude, it's strong at all-time highs. You never heard the saying, don't short all-time highs? Dude, I just knew, like, after seeing this 15-minute, like, AMD model, after breaking the all-time highs, like, accumulation, manipulation. What are the odds it doesn't come down to the bottom of this range down here? Pretty unlikely after doing all this. So I knew I could probably just get this TP right here. Now if I got on the market and it was already down here, probably would have been a short. Just because it already hit the bottom of this accumulation zone. Usually you want to kind of get in near the top. But, I mean, you could say it's making a head and shoulders right now. You know what I'm saying? This is forming the right shoulder. You could say that way. We got shoulder, head, shoulder to dump. Dude, why is my thing not smooth here? What's going on? Whoa, that's pretty sweet. Who knew it could do that? Whoa. I did not know that. But you could also say that we just grabbed this liquidity right here. We just grabbed it to go higher. Alrighty. Well, that trades out at break even. Well, the runners. All right, let me take a picture here to send to Dodgy on Twitter. Boom. Boom. Say, Dodgy, bro, did you catch this? Yeah, dude, it's just, this is all-time high movements here. It tapped into this gap here, broke the liquidity. Probably, Roman. It's probably going to keep going. I don't know if you traded at all-time highs before, but this is just what it does, dude. It usually does it. You usually don't even get this. You usually don't even get a pullback like this, but it's just been going up so much that it needed a little pullback. But I mean, usually if you get a beautiful inversion like this, it'll come down like into this area. But at all-time highs, it just trades different, bro. It just trades different. Trades different at the highs. I'm just gonna add him on Twitter. We just poke around. I'm just gonna send him. I'm gonna ask him if he caught this trade right here. I'm gonna say, you catch this? I'm gonna say, at Dodgy, you catch this? And he's gonna say, bro, I was sleeping. But that's it. Now, I don't know, Roman. I mean, it was a good spot for it to go up because inversion down, broke this liquidity, tapped into this 15-minute gap here. So, good spot to go back up. The market's made to go up. Dude, if I do the replay, does it show my entry still? Nope. It don't. It's holding this 15-minute inversion. Holding the 15-minute inversion right there. Let me see here. Let me see if this would have played out. The orb, nope. It wouldn't have played out today. The orb, neither way. Both ways would have failed today. Dang. Dang. Here it comes. About to break that trend line liquidity. But, alright dudes, I'm about to get out of here. Broke these highs, probably about to break this LR to come down some more. To continue down here. This is the 5-minute right here. I usually go between like the 1, 5, and 15-minute time frames. One, just to watch the candles when I'm bored. 5 and 15-minute just to kind of get a better view of the market. 15-minute, I saw this inversion play. 5-minute, kind of just a faster 15-minute. And then the 1-minute, if I just want to watch how the candles are moving. And make my targets look bigger. And make my targets look bigger. I'll switch down to the 1-minute. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get off of here. Called a nice clean trade today, and I'm gonna be back on for the New York session. How do you determine that 5-minute trend line? I just see the market trending up. You see it's just trending, slow chop up. So just a trend line. If I'm drawing an actual trend line though, I draw it from the wicks. So the actual, like if I was doing a trend line strategy, I'd draw it like this. But just for visual's sake, I just don't even do that. Just kind of put it, you know, subjectively, how the bodies are holding. LRLR means low resistance liquidity run. It's just a trend line, but it means low resistance liquidity run. So if it starts breaking this trend line, you'll notice that it'll take out these stops quickly, and it usually runs these pretty fast all the way down to the bottom. So it means low resistance liquidity run. But yeah, I'm going to be back on for New York session. So I'll see you guys in a few hours if you want to come back and watch the open with me. And I'll be at my home setup then. I'm on my laptop right now. I'll be at the full setup. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Hit that like button on the way out for me, and I'll see you in New York session. Peace.